Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I know I've been a little MIA on my channel and that'll be like a whole separate video that I'm going to talk to you guys about. But today I want to show you guys the products that I've been loving since like 2 months ago, and I haven't been able to speak with them because I haven't been filming as much. And without further ado, we're gonna get into the video. But first, don't forget to join the Pineapple Squad so that way you won't miss any of my future videos. And let's get started. Alright guys, so my favorite thing so far this month, I think I've been using it like 2-3 months I think, and is this right here. And this is the CeraVe Eye Repair eye cream, and this is how it looks like right here. It's like really small and cute, and I look for this everywhere. I was searching through Google like what is the best eye cream, because I was noticing that my under eyes were cracky with my concealer. And I was like, okay, it's definitely not my concealer because I've used like 3 different concealers and it happens. So I was just, okay, I need to hydrate my eyes, and I found several of them. And then I bought this one, and then when I came home and I opened it, it exploded in the box. So then I had to go all the way back to Target and purchase it. I think this was around $13, and I love it. I love how it makes my under eyes look. They look so smooth. The concealer goes on so good. And I mean, over time, it's supposed to like make your under eyes like look better. It says reduces the look of dark circles and puffiness. So I wear this every time I do my makeup. Today I forgot to put it because I was such in a hurry to put my makeup on that I totally forgot. But this one's very good. And this is a CeraVe eye cream right here. And it's really good. And the next thing I want to share with you guys, actually a beauty blender. You guys know that I'm not going to purchase a beauty blender for $21. Like, that's just not going to happen because I go through beauty blenders so much. So I decided to purchase these. This is mine, but it's like so dirty. And this is actually the Shop Miss A blender. I think it's like the Wonder Blender or something like that. I'll put like a little picture right here so you guys can see. And this is literally, I forgot how much it was, like $1.50 or something, or like $2 the max. And I ordered so many of them. Like, I literally have like 4. Like, this was dirty. I literally have like 4, and this is the best dupe that I found for the beauty blender. And I don't understand why a lot of people don't use it. It has so many amazing reviews, and it's just so good. And it's squishy. It gets huge. It gets, I think, even bigger than the beauty blender. And I just love it, and I recommend it for you guys if you guys don't want to like spend $20. Like, if you order this and that gets shipping, it's gonna be under $5. So I don't see why I spend $21 for a beauty blender when this is the same. Okay, so the next thing is gonna be this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Water Spray. I've been obsessed with this, guys. This is so good. It hydrates my face, and I'm like, I feel like I still have a little bit left, but I'm like almost out of this, and it's really good. And I got this actually at Rite Aid because Rite Aid is being discontinued here in New York. And I actually bought it for like half the price, so it was probably like $2.50. This is actually $5, I believe. And I'll put all the prices down below in the description box so you guys will find everything there. And yeah, this is really good, and I like it. I've never tested like a water spray kind of thing, primer, water, you know, stuff. But actually, this is actually pretty good, and I've been priming my face with this, and I've been liking it. So the next thing that I want to share with you guys is actually a concealer, which I am in love. I have to get a darker color because I feel like this one might be a little bit lighter for me. And this is the Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer by, what is this? Flower Beauty. And it's literally such a good concealer. It's full coverage. It blends out so good, so fast, and actually has a lot of product because I've had this for a while. I think I've had this for like 2 months going on 3, and it's pretty good. And the next thing I want to show you guys is the most full coverage, cheapest foundation in the drugstore. Like, my Maybelline Fit Me foundation is very full coverage, and it's my favorite of like all time. Like, of all my life, it's been my favorite. But this one by LA Colors, I did do a review on it, so I'll leave it down below or put the little thumbnail here so you guys can go watch it. But guys, it's so full coverage. I'm shook. Like, I can't believe how full coverage this is. Like, it's kind of crazy and it's kind of scary. And this is the LA Colors Truly Matte Long Wearing Foundation. And I got shade Cafe, and it matches me perfectly. It is a little light, but then I guess it kind of like melts into your skin and it looks better. And I absolutely love it. It's such a good foundation. I got mine at Family Dollar. And it's bomb. The next thing I want to share with you guys is literally a highlight that's... I keep touching my hair, guys. I'm sorry. My weave. And this is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, and it's so good. So good, so good. You are gonna literally blind people. You're not gonna be able to go outside and walk in the streets of New York or California or Florida or whatever you are. You're not gonna be able to do that because it's gonna blind the heck out of you. It's so good, it's so blinding, and all you need is this little sample like I got. It's so small, but it's really good. All right, so the next thing, and the shade for this one, like I said, is Diamond Glow Powder. I don't know if that's the name or something. All right, so the next that I have right here is, you guys already know this. This is my favorite. This is amazing. This is the Wet n Wild Contour. This is my third or second. I don't know. I think it's my second or third. And this is the Mega Glow Contouring Palette, and I have mine in Caramel Toffee. They do have two, but this one is my favorite, and it's so good, guys. I love this. I use it so much to contour. I love putting this color. I love setting my concealer to prime my eyes for eyeshadow with this, and it just makes the canvas so smooth and beautiful, and I've really been loving it, so I definitely recommend it. And then something else that I've been loving, actually the lipstick that I'm wearing right now. Guys, you could go to sleep, you could beat the heck out of your pillow, and this thing will not come off. Like, I'm not even joking. This is the Super Stay Matte Ink liquid lipstick by Maybelline, and it looks like this. And it's literally the best thing that I've ever purchased in my whole entire life. Actually, not purchased. My aunt gave it to me, but I want to purchase more colors, and I told my friends, and they've bought it, and it's literally the best. Like, I'm gonna go out and buy more colors because nothing. It doesn't crumble. It doesn't make your lips feel like blah. You know what I mean? It's so good. I absolutely love it. I recommend it if you want something that's gonna make your lips look poppin'. I recommend it. But yeah, guys, these were all the favorites that I have for you guys for these couple of months. And let me know what videos you guys want to see down below so I could film it for you guys. And I love you guys so much, and I love you guys, Pineapple Squad. You guys know that you guys are super special to me, and I want to continue to do videos and, you know, not take a break because breaks stress me out. But I love you guys so much. God bless you, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.